So I saw this style on Joyce Arts style, and I just decided to try. I'd never done it before, so I was like, let me learn it. I asked my mom if I can do her hair, and she agreed. So the style itself called Ethiopian line fishbone, and I tried it for the first time. It's horrible. I know I did so bad, and I was thinking, should I post it or not? But I was like, okay, let me post it. So when I try it for the second time and the third time, I will just compare with what I did for the first time. So that's me doing it. I decided to do three beads one. And as you can see, I did a cornrow in the middle and two small on the side. And this is what I was doing. I mean, at least that's what I thought um they do it, but I was doing it wrong because I was just putting all the hair on the side and never braided. But when I double watch the video at Joyce Arts channel, I saw that she was braiding it like you do a big corner in the middle the first time, and then you braid for the second time. So I was supposed to be braiding, but I was just putting them on side. But yeah, that's what I did for the first time, and I know I did a bad job, but I just decided to post it so I can compare with what I will do in future. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much again for everyone who's watching this. Appreciate your support and enjoy your day. Bye.
You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 너는 잊어버려 우린 함께야. 네 모습이 보여. Will everything 보여. Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right.
So this was the finished look, but I decided to take them out and redo them. You see this one